my channel. This is Fabricating Fringe and my name is Amber. Today I am ready for bed. I just did a bunch of hair reviews and it's time to, take off the war paint and hit the hay. I'm tired and I need my beauty sleep. But before I do that, I need to thoroughly wash my face. There have been many times where I have skipped my facial routine and it results in breakouts. I feel like now that I'm getting a little bit older, when I don't take care of my face the way that I should, it accentuates fine lines and wrinkles. And so I do like to have a pretty good facial care routine, especially with the cleansing aspect. If I do anything at all, it's just washing my face day and night. And I'm really excited to share this product with you guys today because this will assist with that in a really great way. This is by the brand Duvolle, and it is their Sonic facial brush. You can see that. I don't know if you can. This is awesome, and honestly, it's a great size. It fits in your hand really well. I don't know, so it's fantastic for getting to the areas on your face. So let me tell you a little bit about this little contraption first, and then we will move on with washing all of this off. You might be scared. So this Sonic facial brush by Duvolle has 4 speeds. It lets you dial it up or tone it down to meet your cleansing needs. You see right up here, this is where you can push negative or positive to dial it up or down or turn it off. Everybody has a unique skin type. Some people are more sensitive. Some people like to get in there and be very thorough. And so that's really nice that it has the option to change the speeds. It has a high frequency impulse that helps remove skin and dirt and debris and all the junk that's on your face. A low frequency impulse can really help with fine lines and wrinkles because it gets the circulation up and going around your skin. And by doing that, it helps restore skin firmness and elasticity. What's really nice is this is made out of really soft food grade silicone, so it cleans up really nicely. It dries quickly. It's really gentle on your face. I mean, it's so soft. It feels great. And it's naturally resistant to bacteria. This is fantastic because it has a waterproof design for use in the shower. So, you need something that's waterproof if you're using it to wash your face. It's going to get wet, and so hence the waterproof. And you simply recharge this puppy using a USB. This comes with it. Comes in this little package with the USB and the little contraption in this cute little box. So what you're going to do is you're going to dampen your face. You're going to put your favorite cleanser on the facial brush, and then you'll turn it on to your desired speed. Wash your face for like a minute or more, depending on what you'd like, give or take. And then rinse your face, rinse the brush. Congratulations, you are done. Ready for bed or ready for the day. Then you can continue your skincare routine as usual. Your moisturizers, your under eye cream, anything that you use after your wash. All right, so first off, let's take these off. Lashes and hair. When you don't have a lot of hair, that's what you do. Okay, time to wet the face. Take off the rings. It's bedtime, yo. Maybe I'll get a bowl of water because I'm not in my bathroom. My bathroom is still under construction. Months later, still under construction. So I'll get a bowl of water, grab my favorite soapy solution. We'll go to town on this face. All right. Wet the face, right? Ugh. Never really washed my face with a bowl. Usually like in the bathroom, dunking my head, or in the shower. But you do what you have to do for the sake of videos, tutorials, demos. I have a lot of makeup on today. Usually I do 4 reviews. Whoa, Nelly. So I'm going to use the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. This is the foaming face wash. I got it in my BoxyCharm. All right. Look at all that dang makeup. Oh, I'm gonna get it in my eye. Guys, how am I supposed to look at you? Looking at me. I broke out like right there. I can feel it. Maybe I should dunk it in here. It's waterproof. It's still working. Should I turn it up? Let's see what I like. Oh, that turned it down. Oh, wow. Turn up the heat. I have hair fibers in my hairline, so if you see any brown coming out of my hair, that's why. Holy mackerel. Can I go over my eyes? Now, let's see. On the other side, you have this brush on this side. Little brushes. And then on this side, you have little ripples. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is messy when you're not just over your sink. Okay. That's really digging in there deep. Have you ever washed your face and you still have like junk stuck deep in the pores? Or like your eye makeup is still on? This, I can tell this is getting in there. I love when I can feel it really getting in there deep. Exfoliation. Let's see. Ooh, turn it up even more than it already is. Oh, it's like going on and off. Interesting. Now what? Cool. It feels really good. I just keep going and going because it feels so good. Will the pulse make my double chin go away? Oh my gosh, I got the rinse a little bit. Okay, let's rinse a little bit. It's getting in my eyes. Oh, okay. All done. Oh, my face feels so fresh and clean. So, that's about it. I have to tell you guys, this water right here is nasty. Nasty. Frickin' nasty. I'd show you, but I don't want to dunk the thing in water. Maybe you can see it. Can you see that water? Just so you guys know, you guys can get 70% off, a whopping 70% off all the Duvolle facial care products, their hair tools, and all of that using a coupon code, and that code is Amber2020. Remember that, 70% off. So I will have all the links down below to this facial brush and their online platforms, their contact information, you name it. I'll have those links down below. Follow them if you want to check out this facial brush. If you want to check out the flat iron that I reviewed a couple months ago, it's still going strong and I really, really like it. It's my favorite flat iron by Duvolle. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. You can always reach out to me over on Instagram. And it's time for me to go to sleep, get some shut-eye. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, like, let me know if this was helpful. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.